Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 17. Which Indian state hosts the Silchar-Sylhet Festival? Options: West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Odisha. So before looking into the answer, let's see what is the Silchar-Sylhet Festival. What is the idea behind Silhet-Silchar Festival 2022? The year 2022 is the 50th anniversary of the liberation of Bangladesh from Pakistan. The government of India is also observing the 75th year of independence as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to commemorate and celebrate the journey of independent India. So the event Silchar-Sylhet Festival will commemorate 75 years of India's independence and 50th anniversary of Bangladesh's liberation from Pakistan. After the partition in 1947, the Sylhet district with majority of Muslim people of Assam became part of East Pakistan and is currently a part of Bangladesh. So the Sylhet, it's a city now in Bangladesh, and Silchar it's a city in Assam. Several Sylheti people has to flee from their homeland and took shelter in India as refugees back then. So Sylhet and Silchar share close cultural ties for ages, and this festival will further strengthen people to people connect between the two neighboring regions of the two countries. The first Silhet Silchar festival, celebrating the close cultural ties between the neighboring regions of India and Bangladesh, has begun in Assam's Barak Valley on December 2, 2022. This Silchar Sylhet festival is expected to enhance the age old sense of friendship and establish a good relationship between both the neighboring countries who share diverse yet similar culture, tradition, and much more. So the right answer for the question is option B, Assam. Assam state is hosting the Silchar-Sylhet festival. And here is another question for you. World's first steam-powered spacecraft has been launched by which country? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out the community post.